Good morning, my dear students. Class, today we are going to learn the new formula, that is to find the area of the triangle in which class 3 coordinates of the triangle is given. Suppose you are having a triangle with side A, B and C, and you know the coordinate x1, y1, similarly of this x2, y2, x3, y3. Then what you are going to do, you are going to apply this formula. So class, this formula says, here it is written square, this is wrong. This formula says first coordinate, that is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3, this square is not there, plus x3 y1 minus y2. So class, after that we can get the area of this. So now the point is, what more we can do with this. The more we can do with this, if we want to find the area of if we say that 3 points are collinear, then in previous distance formula you have done that you will find this, then you will find this, and you will find this, means AB you will find, then BC you will find, then AC you will find. So that's a long process, but here it is a very simple one. So class, what you are going to do in this, you are just find the area. If area comes 0, then these 3 points are collinear. A, B, C are collinear points. One more thing, area cannot be negative. So in case where the area comes negative, you will write the numerical value of it, that is the positive value. So class, let's start the exercise. Let's start with the exercise. In exercise, wait, let's start with the exercise. In exercise, the first question is to find the area of the triangle. So class, what we are going to do, we are going to consider this point as x1 y1, this as x2 y2, this as x3 y3, and we will substitute in this formula and we will solve. Class, again minus sign will come, so you have to, whatever is negative here you will keep in bracket, then you will find no problem. Similarly, the next one, the second part you have to do. Now let's move to the next question. Next question says find the value of k. Next question says find the value of k for which these three points are collinear. So what you will do, you will apply the formula of area and you will keep it equal to 0, because area of 3 collinear point will be equals to 0. So area equals to 0. Then after solving you will get the value of k. Similarly, for the next part, so these are very simple question. Next that we are going to do, next question, this is your next question. Class, see in this it says there is a triangle, there we have to find the area of triangle whose vertices are given like this, but we have to find the area of that triangle whose midpoint, this triangle, area of this triangle you have to determine. So you will get the midpoint of AB, midpoint of AC, midpoint of BC, and what you will get, you will get these three coordinates, you will get these three coordinates DEF, midpoint formula they have applied, then area of that triangle, that is DEF. Then second question says find the ratio of the area of both the triangles. So first of all, area of this triangle we have already determined, we will find the area of the whole triangle, this one is DEF and this one is ABC. So finally ABC, area of ABC upon area of DEF, or area of DEF of upon area of ABC. This we have to do in this question. I hope you all are understanding. Very easy question these are. You just have to implement the formula. Now quadrilateral is there. We have to get the area of this quadrilateral. So class, in this, as if you remember in Heron's formula, we used to divide triangle into two parts. So as here also it is divided into two parts. First of all we will get the area of this part, then we will get the area of this part. In diagram you have to place this point as accordingly. Means first point is A, second point is B, first point is A, B, C, D, A, B, C and D, like this, and diagonal you will join. After that you will get the area of this triangle, then you will get the area of this triangle, and you will add up. Here if your answer comes negative, you make it positive and then add, as it is said in the starting explanation of the chapter. Now your last question, and that's from your midpoint. If you remember in class 9th you have done, if there is a triangle, and a median is drawn, then this will be the midpoint. So same it is said in class 9th you have studied that median divides the area into equal parts. So what you will do, first of all you will get the coordinate of this D by midpoint formula they have done here. After that, area of triangle BDA, ABD, this area is determined. After that, area of ADC is determined, and we will find that both the area is coming same. You make it positive, it is coming -3 and -3, so make it positive, and you say that it is clearly results that this median AD divides the whole triangle into two equal areas. That's all class. Your chapter is finished. Now you complete and send me the work by this Sunday. That's all class. Any problem, any discussion, you can do tomorrow. On Sunday you can ask question. No problem with that. You can ask me anytime.